Hello foodies, are you looking for quick and easy, instant and healthy snack? Here is my Khandvi Bites. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous Moong Dal Khandvi Bites. Let's check out the ingredients and see how I made it. Yellow Moong Dal has lots and lots of health benefit such as low in calories, high in fiber and protein, and easy to digest. I have washed 1 cup of yellow moong dal and soaked it for about 1 hour now. To make it light and fluffy, I have added 1/4 cup of poha, which is flattened rice. And look at this, after 1 hour or so, it is nicely soaked. Now I'm going to grind it in the mixer jar with some other ingredients. So since it's an instant recipe, I'm just going to add everything in the mixie jar. So I've taken 3 green chilies, some ginger, pinch of turmeric, half cup of yogurt and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and grind it together. You can also add 1/4 cup of water just to make it a smooth paste. I'm also going to add asafoetida or hing, like a couple of pinches just to enhance the flavor. Alright, so here is my steamer pot. I've added 2 cups of water and getting steamed, and in this mixture I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and a couple pinches of sugar, and since it's an instant recipe I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking soda, or this is Eno I've used, and just added a couple drops of water just to get it well combined. Let's mix this well and then it's ready to set for the steaming. Lightly spray it on a steaming tray and then pour the mixture just like this. Let's put it in the steamer pot and cover it up for 10 minutes. And khandvi without tadka or tempering is impossible, isn't it? So I've added 1 tablespoon of oil and some mustard seeds. Let it splutter, and then I've also added some cumin and curry leaves and my favorite sesame seeds. They're going to enhance this khandvi flavor so much. So let it splutter for some time and then turn the heat off and let it cool. Alright, so here is everything for our garnishing. I've added some sugar syrup, sugar water I would say, and then this tempering of everything and some coriander. And after 10 to 15 minutes, look at this beautiful, gorgeous looking and super healthy khandvi bites. So let it cool for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to cut it in a small bite pieces. Sprinkle some sugar water. It is optional, but you can also add just the plain water with some salt, and add this tempering of our sesame seeds and curry leaves on the top, and then garnish it with our coriander. Wasn't that quick and easy, instant tea time snack? Or if you have guests coming over, just make it for them, nice and hot and yet so delicious and healthy. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and let me know your feedback, and check out all such recipes on my channel and show your support by subscribing, liking and commenting on the video. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.